join the fun, it's animal rhyme. We've got our friends and sunny time. Let's clap our
Quack, quack, here they come, little ducks marching, having fun. Splish, splash in the puddles wide, waddling along, side by side. Mama duck leads the way, baby ducks follow, ready to play. 1, 2, 3, and 4, marching along by the pond shore. Fluffy feathers web little feet, splish splash dancing to the beat. The frogs join in with a ribbit sound, hopping around, up and down. Parrots squawk from the nearby tree, quack quack march with me. Turtles waddle slow and sweet, joining the parade with happy feet. Ducks spin around, shake their tails, splashing in puddles, leaving trails. Little ducklings tumble and glide, giggles and quacks echo far and wide. The sun shines bright, sparkling on the pond. The animal friends are having fun beyond. Splish, splash, splish, splish, hooray! Duck parade dances all through the day. At the end of the pond they take a bow, quacking and cheering, oh wow, wow, wow. Splish, splash parade, what a sight! Dancing ducks fill the day with